Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over a few things that you might have missed from last week, as well as a few things to come, so let's get into the video. Now, we had some really exciting news about a huge discount on shipping fees from here to the end of the year. So if you haven't seen those, check them out. For example, with FedEx and UPS, ground and 2-day shipping is $5 or free when you buy over $350 in your order. And standard overnight is $5 or free when you buy $500 or more, which is an amazing deal. So definitely take advantage of that from here to the end of the year. And not too long ago, I released a video showing the new iPhone 16 series battery adhesive quick removal cable by Qianli. And a lot of you in the comments of that video have already asked if you can get a link. We did send out an email regarding this, but here it is. You can see it's a really inexpensive tool, but it definitely gets the job done. And if you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. I thoroughly go over everything that you need to know about the tool and how to use it so that you can have a much easier time replacing the batteries on the new phones. And one of the things that we're proud to introduce is the in-cell LCD screen compatible with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, with an amazing price point that allows you to provide a lower repair cost for your clients that are just looking for an option to get it fixed and usable without the need for an OLED display. And one thing to note, we're being transparent as always, this LCD has only a refresh rate of 80 Hz. And although the IC chip controlling the screen is compatible for running a 90 Hz, the actual panel is limited to 80 Hz. So you might be seeing other suppliers advertise this as a 90 Hz screen. It's not, it's an 80 Hz screen. We just want to make sure that you are aware of the true specifications. It's also IC transferable, which is really nice. And if you haven't started doing that, I'd highly recommend you taking a look at the videos that I've done showing how to do it so that you can see if it's something that you want to start doing as well. And last but not least, we have our Black Friday unbeatable deals on top pre-owned devices. So definitely check out all of these different prices for the iPhones, iPads, and some wearables, as I'm sure a lot of people are going to be getting gifts for people, and these prices make sense to do that. Now, if you haven't already, take some time to go over the recently added tools and parts so that you can see some of the newest things out there. And if there's a specific tool that you'd like to see demonstrated in a video, let me know in the comments below. This week, I'm going to be featuring in a video the FixHub Power Series portable soldering station, as I've had a lot of people ask to see it demoed to see kind of what to expect with a portable station, along with a few other new tools that we'll go over in that video. Well, that wraps up today's video. Hope you guys all have a great Thanksgiving week. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for another video.